Hi everyone, it's Dana Kemry, and I'm going to show you this morning how to add a web link to your course for the Daily Dose. And you can do this for any type of website that you want to add to your course. I'm going to add the Daily Dose here in my Sandbox course, my training course. You'll see a lot of crazy stuff in here, and this is where I play around and try to find things. So the Daily Dose, for those of you who maybe don't know what this is the College of Nursing and Health Professions landing page, right? But our students don't always land here when you open up their browsers. So this is particularly important, I think, for our students so that they know what's going on at the NHP. Just going to kind of scroll down, right, so they can see what kind of maybe certificate programs we're offering, maybe if they're local students or if it's a webcast type of certificate program. Meetings with the dean is, I think, important for our students to know that they can actually have conversations with our dean at a particular time, and then things like Tuesday topics and other offerings that we have. Also, our students may want to submit an item, something that they're doing, something that's interesting, that they may want to share with all of our programming. Right? So that's the Daily Dose in a nutshell, and that's why I like to share this particular link, this particular area in my course. So I'm going to just scroll up here. Now, to add a link, a web link to your course, you want to grab that link to that particular page, right? So for here, we're going to grab the link for the Daily Dose. I'm just going to copy it. And now we're going to go into my course where I want to add this link. Okay. So you're going to go up here to this top little plus mark here, and we're going to add an item, right, to our blue bar here on the left. And for this particular item, we're going to be adding a web link. Now I have to name that web link, so when I go to name it, because I've done this before, the Daily Dose name comes up. And you can call your web links whatever you want, but I would suggest for the Daily Dose, if you're adding the Daily Dose, you just call it by its name, right? You're going to copy, you're going to paste that web link that you copied for the Daily Dose, right? Put into this URL space, and click it to make it available. Right? And you're going to click Submit. And what happens is that link is going to show up here in our navigation bar. It's going to show up right here. It's a little hard to see. And so that's the Daily Dose. And I can move this up or down wherever I want, wherever it makes sense for resources. So maybe I think it's resources, right under resources, I'm adding for my students that I want to put the Daily Dose there. And now you're maybe thinking, like, how are your students going to know, right, that that's available? Well, in my course, I would want to put it in maybe the announcements, right? So send out an announcement to all my students, right? Maybe I want to use the Grade Center and send it by email, right? So if I have a Grade Center and I happen to have 2 students in here, I could send out an email, right, to my users, right, about that particular ad. But if you really want to make it something that all of your students would see immediately, I would add it to your announcement section. Now, in this particular course, I don't have an announcement section, but I'm going to show you in an active course, actually, how I set that up. And so I'm presently teaching Nursing 500, and I will show you my announcement. So in the announcements, I just clicked on here to add an announcement, or to create an announcement. Right? So I make sure I'm in my announcement section. And then I just posted this announcement. Good morning, that I've added the Daily Dose, right, to the left margin, and it's a great learning opportunity, and you could see different things that are going on at CNHP, right? So for this particular announcement, I did not link it directly to the navigation bar, right? But in another course, let me show you how that works. If I do decide to add, right, that link, right, it would show up like this, right? So how do you add that link to an announcement? Let me show you. Just by clicking Edit. Excuse me. So when you post your announcement, right, you have a variety of options, right? I click non-date restricted so the students can see it at any time. I selected to send a copy of the announcement right away to students, and then by clicking Browse down here, right, I can link to an item, right, in my course. So when I clicked on Browse, you can get this really long list of items, right? Depending on how many items you have in your course. Okay? And then I just scroll down to the item that I want to add to my announcement. And this actually makes it pretty nice for your students because they get that link in the email that's sent, and they also get that link in the announcement that stays, right? It stays static in the course. So I think I scrolled past. But you can see you've got all the different links that show up in this blue navigation bar over here. Right? You'll see all the different links that are available into your course. So you don't want to add faculty resources, obviously, but any of the other resource links, right? And here's our Daily Dose CMHP link that we added here, right? And then it'll come up, like you said, like I showed you, as an active link. So for this particular thing, I don't want to change anything, so I just want to cancel that because I don't want to resend an announcement that I already sent. But then it looks like this, right? And it's an active link actually on the announcement page, and it's an active link in their email as well. So when I click on it, you get Daily Dose, right? Daily Dose, right? For CMHP. Click on it, and it will take you straight to the Daily Dose. So if you have any questions about anything that I've shown you in this video, please feel free to email me. It doesn't take very long. This whole entire video, even with my explanation, only takes about 6 minutes. It probably will take you 2 or 3 minutes to add a web link. Once you get used to it, it'll be a lot quicker than that. Please, if you have any questions about adding some technology enhancement or some digital enhancement to your Blackboard shell, videos, websites, anything like that, please reach out to me or for Cornelius. My email is dck28@drexel.edu, and I look forward to having conversations with you. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.